Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options because Android hides the mock location control by default. Tap build number 7 times in About Phone. Once done, return to System Settings and open Developer Options. Make sure to install a reputable mock location app first, since you will assign it shortly. This prepares the phone and the app so you can pick a provider rather than scramble for one mid-setup. It also ensures Play Store permissions are ready when requested. Next, you select the mock location app so Android routes location requests to it. In Developer Options, find Select Mock Location App, then pick the app you installed. Once chosen, Android treats that app as the location provider. If the app asks for Find Location permission, grant it in App Info, otherwise location spoofing will fail. After selection, launch the mock app and confirm it can set a custom coordinate. This verifies the system-level handoff is successful. Finally, you pick the fake location inside the mock app and activate it. Drop a pin or type coordinates, then enable spoofing. Check Google Maps or a GPS test app to confirm the device reports the new coordinates. If the location does not change, make sure location mode is GPS or device only. Toggle airplane mode briefly to reset GPS hardware. If problems persist, clear the mock app cache, reinstall, or reselect the app in Developer Options to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.